Hi, I'm Sri Chandana, psychologist and an international trainer. Have you ever helped people without expecting anything from in return? There are many people who expect a small gratitude, a small thank you, or something in return because they have helped others. But in real life, don't expect anything if you're doing help or providing help to others. It is essential for us to give wholeheartedly. Never expect anything in return, even a small thank you, even an appreciation, or any other such kind of gifts which are given in return for what you have done. In the recent times, there is a particular famous personality, Mr. Sonu Sood. The media have given him a very good title. It is none other than the real hero has turned into a real hero. Yes? So this is what he has done. Did he expect such kind of publicity, or was he expecting any appreciation in return from the government or from any other people in the industry? No. He just wanted to help people and he helped in whatever way he wanted or he could give. He helped the migrant workers, he helped the poor people, he just kind of gave rather than expecting anything from them. But looking at his actions, the people have showered him with a lot of love and affection. People have recognized him as a person who has a very great heart. If you talk about the other sector, like the police department, even the police department, they are the front-line people who have been seeing it right in front of their eyes, people suffering and animals and many other situations which they could literally see, and they could not just sit quietly. They started cooking food for these people, they started giving them the food and feeding the stray animals like cows or dogs or anything. And in this way, they came out of their duty. See, not only they are doing their duty, they have gone beyond their duty and they are providing this kind of help. Is it really necessary for them to do so? No, they just wanted to help. That's it. Are they expecting anything in return? Nothing. So this is the way we have to be. In real life, whenever we are doing anything for others, don't expect anything from them in return. There are many children in the present scenario who are expecting something from the parents. That's why they are doing something for them, like taking care of them, because after their death, the property will be given to them. Is this what you are going to talk or going to be the kind of person? Is this what you are expecting? Then you are considered as a selfish person, because you are expecting something, then only you are doing, or else you would not be doing it. Please don't be like this. Just give. See, there are these elderly people. What they want a little bit of attention from you. They want a little bit of your time. They just want you, if you just sit with them for some time and just talk to them. How are you? Okay, today everything is fine. Did you have your food? Did you enjoy it? If you ask such kind of questions, they'll feel very happy. That is the only thing they want from you. The little bit of attention. Can't you spare that 5-10 minutes with them? Can't you talk to them and make sure that they are happy and they are content? That is more than sufficient. Don't expect, okay, I'm just doing all these things for you and now you have to take care. No, don't expect them to still keep taking care of you, your household and your children and all such kind of things. It is not right. Just give your support, just give your love and affection to them as they had given when you were very much young. Yes, now let us talk about the other people. Just in life, don't expect anything from others. If you're talking about your professional life also, if you're in an office and there are so many people who say give your 100%. Okay, I have given my 100%. But what did I get in return? Nothing. He did not even give me a promotion. He did not even give me an appreciation. Nothing. So don't expect such kind of things. Give your 100% and ultimately you will be chosen. Don't worry about those promotions. Don't worry about those appreciations. Don't worry about that recognitions. If you're just thinking about all those things, then you're making yourself very much unhappy thinking about such kind of things. They did not recognize me, they did not give me appreciation, they did not give me a promotion. So with all these kind of feelings, what is going to happen? You're making yourself very unhappy, you're making your life unhappy by thinking negatively. So think in, just don't expect, just give your 100%. They say in life, if you give your 100%, there is somebody else who is looking out from above, and he will take care of all your ambitions. He will ensure that he is giving you in abundance whatever you have given to others. It is very much essential for you to give without expecting. Don't expect anything in return for what you are doing. There are many housewives during this pandemic season who have, what they have done, they have started feeding the people who have fallen sick during the COVID period, and they have COVID, and so they have, what they do, they are very much in the house and they are unable to cook on their own. So these housewives have started sending the cooked meals which has been cooked personally in their houses, and they have taken care of all the right processes. And so what is happening? They are feeding the people who are suffering. Are they expecting anything in return? No. It is just a satisfaction which is being brought to them. The satisfaction that yes, I have helped in some way or the other. This is what brings the best feeling in a person. Never expect. These expectations always kill the satisfaction, kill the happiness of the people. There is always this trend which they say, mother-in-law and daughter-in-law. The daughter-in-law always complains, my mother-in-law is never happy, my mother-in-law is never satisfied, she keeps complaining about whatever I do. She never says thank you, she never appreciates what I do. The daughter-in-law is suffering just because she's expecting something from the mother-in-law. Don't expect. Never expect. Then you are going to be really happy. Don't expect that thank you. Don't expect that appreciation. If they give, take it. If they don't give, don't feel unhappy. That is what I'm trying to say. If they give, yes, please accept it. If they say thank you, you'll feel very much happy. But if they don't say also, if you are not expecting, then you are content. But if you are expecting and they don't say, then you're going to make yourself very much unhappy. The thing is, always expectations make you feel that you have lost something in life. You are not happy. It is not making you happy. So don't expect things from others just because you have done something for them. A servant, yes, you want to give her something, you give. You have given her some clothes of yours, you have given her some kind of food which is left over. You are helping her, providing for her family, but don't expect something from her. I have given all her this, the clothes, I have given her additional food and all, but whenever I ask her to do something additionally, she doesn't do. No, don't expect. Are you just giving such kind of things only because you're expecting something from her? Don't. If you don't have that expectation, then you're going to be really happy. Only thing is, just give without expecting. Even any help also. If you've provided any help to others, like somebody required they lost their wallet or something, and they suddenly ask you, can you just give me 100 rupees so that I can go home? I'll just return this. No, just say, don't worry, you can take this money and just help the person. Whether he is really in need or not, don't worry. You have just given rupees 100 to them. Just forget about it. That is the kind of help there. You cannot expect something back from them. That thank you, that gratitude, that kind of return of that same money. No, don't expect. If you have that kind of a heart, then you're really going to be very much satisfied in life. When we are expecting things from others, when we are expecting something in return, then only we are going to be very sick in life. I'm not talking about health. I'm talking about the mental sickness which we are going to have just because I'm expecting many things from others. Having expectations, yes, I'm not talking about the other expectations. Here what I'm saying is expecting something in return only. Don't expect anything in return. Then you are going to be really, really happy. If you do such kind of things, now those people for whom you have helped may help other people also, and those other people also may help others. So it continues, the goodness continues without expecting something in return. And when you're helping others, what is going to happen? You have done something for the good for the society. When you help others, you are really improved or developed the society a little more better in its standards. Think in that manner and provide all the help that you can. See, help doesn't mean only financially. Help can be knowledge wise, help can be skill wise, help can be in many other ways that you have. There is nothing that I should have money, then only I can help others. God give me money, then I'll help others. Never. Whatever little amount you have, whatever little you are earning, from that only give. It is a very much a necessity. If you give to others, then as I told you, the person above who is watching us, he is going to give you in abundance. So please help others without expecting, and then you are going to be really happy, satisfied and content in your life.